A man is walking calmly along the roadside, unaware of what's about to happen behind him. In just a moment, a fast-moving car approaches while a truck is traveling alongside it. Due to poor judgment and high speed, the car collides with the truck and loses control. The vehicles slide dangerously close to the pedestrian's path. Thankfully, the man notices the situation in time and reacts quickly, staying completely safe. This scene shows how suddenly road conditions can change without warning. It highlights the importance of awareness for both drivers and pedestrians. Staying alert and driving responsibly can help prevent such risky situations and save lives. In this scene, a father is gently guiding his very young child down a set of stairs, holding the child's hand for support. The child is too small to move safely on the steps without help and depends completely on the parent. As they step down, the father briefly loses his grip, and the child slips and falls downward. This moment shows how everyday situations can become dangerous in seconds, especially for children. It highlights the need for firm support and full attention while using stairs. The scene serves as an important reminder for parents to take extra precautions to keep children safe. This dashcam footage shows a car moving calmly through an area where careful driving is necessary due to road conditions. The location clearly demands lower speed because sudden turns can be risky. Unexpectedly, another car passes at a much higher speed from the side. As it reaches a sharp turn, the vehicle struggles to maintain control. The lack of speed management causes the car to drift off its intended path. It then makes contact with the roadside, showing how quickly things can change. This scene highlights why speed limits exist in sensitive areas. It serves as an educational reminder that controlled driving helps prevent avoidable road incidents and keeps everyone safer. This scene shows a hotel worker carrying what appears to be a pressure cooker containing hot food while moving quickly through the kitchen area. In fast-paced work environments, wet or slippery floors can increase the risk of losing balance. Suddenly, the worker slips while still holding the hot equipment. This highlights the importance of moving slowly and using proper safety measures when handling hot or heavy kitchen items. It also emphasizes the need for non-slip flooring and appropriate footwear in commercial kitchens. This scene shows a mother and her young daughter standing by the roadside preparing to cross safely. The mother signals the child to wait, understanding that traffic conditions are not yet safe. However, the child suddenly pulls free and runs forward without checking the road. At that exact moment, an approaching car is unable to stop in time. This situation highlights how quickly a risky moment can develop near busy roads. It emphasizes the importance of teaching children road safety from an early age. The scene also reminds parents to maintain a firm hold and constant supervision in traffic areas.